Welcome to Comet. I am Gretel from Customer Success, and in this video, I will walk you through the steps to start up a Comet Management Console, which is the first thing you need to do to set up your Comet backups. This video is particularly helpful for new customers who are setting up Comet for the first time. Let's get started. The Comet Management Console is your point of central management for all your backups, devices, users, and storage. You have the option to use a Comet-Hosted Console for a cloud-based turnkey solution. Or you can self-host Comet if you need a flexible solution for enterprise-level needs, such as having full control of your backups and on-prem storage. We will walk through how to start up a management console for each of these options in this video. First, let us have a look at how to spin up a Comet-Hosted Console, which is the easier and turnkey option. After signing up with Comet, you will be first guided to set up a management console on your Comet account. Here, you can select your deployment option. If you are using Comet Hosted, you can select the region where your console is hosted. After selecting your region, click on Create Comet Hosted. In just a few seconds, your Comet-hosted console will be ready to go. Click on Start Guide for step-by-step instructions on how to set up your backups with Comet. And you are now logged in to your Comet-hosted Management Console. Just follow the Getting Started guide and your backups will be configured in no time. Comet Hosted is pre-configured with Comet Storage, which is our bundled storage solution. You can find this configured as a storage template under Settings. This is your storage template for Comet Storage. With this, you will automatically be able to request a storage vault for all your users and devices with no manual configuration. You also have the option to configure your own storage type with Comet. We will cover the steps to set up storage with Comet in a different video. Next, let us go through the steps to download and install Comet for a self-hosted solution for full control over your backups and easily configurable on-prem storage. In your Comet account, you will find the system requirements for hosting the Comet Management Console. More information on this are found in the guide linked below. Click on Download Self-Hosted. Click on the drop-down and select your installer. The self-hosted option has an installer for both Windows and Linux. In this video, we will install the Management Console on a Windows device. Click on Download after selecting your operating system. Launch the installer once the download is complete. Follow the prompt to complete the installation. This is the Comet Core Service Manager, where you can start up your self-hosted management console. Click on Setup Wizard to configure your settings. Here, put in the email address and password for your Comet account. This is where you can configure the network settings for the web interface. Choose a network interface, protocol, and port for your server to be reached on. You can use the default HTTP option to get started, but for production use, we recommend using the HTTPS automatic option, which will request a certificate from Let's Encrypt to create a secure connection with the client devices. Please refer to the guide linked below for more information on configuring network interfaces and URLs where your Comet Management Console can be accessed on. Set your credentials for your self-hosted Comet here. You can configure additional admin users and security settings within the console. This is where you can configure Storage Gateway and choose where backup data should be stored. I would prefer to configure direct-to-cloud storage, so I will configure it later within the Management Console. Do note that you can configure any storage in the console later. I will choose Disabled here and move on. Click on Finish, and the web interface for your self-hosted console will pop up. Log in with your credentials. And same as with the Comet-Hosted option, click on Start Guide for steps to configure your backups. You can now start setting up your backups and apply additional configurations on your self-hosted license. We have come to the end of the video. In this video series, the next step we will cover to configure your Comet backups is to add a user. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.